What's up guys, welcome to the new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video guys. I'm so excited because today it's an unboxing video and we're gonna just quickly unbox this video. And today actually it's from Nike. But before we go ahead and do that guys, hit the like button, you know the drill, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. All right, what do we got today? What's in the box? I don't need a knife. I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and just open it up. Here we go guys. We got the Nike Dunk Low, and these ones are the Halloween editions. Sail Starfish Black, as you can see just on the back here. 2.5Y kid size. Just gonna quickly open it up. So here we go guys, I love this. And the details on these ones guys, amazing, really amazing. And I know I'm not doing them justice just to like that, because these ones light up in the dark, these ones do light up also in the dark, and these ones too all light up in the dark. Amazing, really amazing, really. So the Nike Halloween edition Dunk Lows. So they come, yeah, just a normal Nike box, and you got the shoes in there. Yeah, just a quick unboxing for today. The Nike Dunk Lows. Wow, the details on these ones are just crazy, really amazing. And you got like a spider in there. It's all Halloween themed. I love these ones, really amazing. All right guys, catch you on the next one. That's it for today. Don't forget, be kind to one another. Peace.